I don't know how good this is coming out, but this is me waiting for the bus. This is the mountain of fucking snow I gotta climb over to wait for the bus. And the funny thing is, there has been no bus since 9:15. It is now 10:35. 10:35. I am starting my way home. I am not waiting for this shit no more. This is bad. I need to get in the freaking street. Look at this. Up to my freaking waist. Up to my waist. Look at this. Everyone who was waiting for the bus is now going to the train. Because you can't get nowhere. Yeah, this definitely reminds me of Rocky IV. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that, a clean sidewalk. Salvation, even though I can't get to it. There's another two stranded. Yep. Go ahead, do the old back and forth, see if it works. This guy shoveled his car out. I don't know where the fuck he thinks he's going, but whatever. Yeah, look, see, there's a helicopter. Maybe you could fly me to fucking work, huh? Huh? Thanks a lot.
Fucking disaster, I tell you.
That's a nice way of putting it.
I think they would plow the fucking streets.
They didn't do nothing. They didn't do nothing except in the net.
My block is like 5 foot of snow.
If you walk towards the bus, it's up to your hip.
I know, that's what I'm saying. They didn't, that from where I am on the side street, forget about it. I'm amazed my car didn't get covered. I mean, I drive. See that? I mean, what side of the car?
Yeah, yeah.
Must have been from the wind, right?
Yeah, but there's a spot over on my block where there's a patch of grass and nothing's on it. So the wind
Isn't
must
that
have
weird,
just
though?
picked up. Yeah.
There's not one thing on the car except on the other side.
Yeah. That just fell. Look at
I
this.
just went to clean it. I said, what the fuck is this? The fucking thing didn't even get covered.
Wow.
Like
They
this-
can't even get down this way.
No, this is crazy. I called the fucking city yesterday. Forget it. They're not going to answer the phone.
It was like, I don't know how long you've been living here, but it was like this in 96.
Yeah, I've
95,
been,
yeah.
I've been.
Where you couldn't get through nowhere.
I know, yeah, I remember.
Oh, horrible.
What are you going to do?
Nothing, man. Good luck. Stay warm.
Not even that. The dog won't even shit. That's the worst part. You
Oh,
don't have no sense. So you
Yeah.
got to walk hours.
unbelievable. Good luck.
You too. That's it.
Thank you. Finally, a little salvation. Jesus Christ. But even in snow, I gotta dodge dog shit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, horrible. Horrible. This car has been stuck here since the beginning. It's like frozen to the road. And that's what you get for driving in bad weather. Ambulance they can't get through. That's just sad. Jeez. No snow here. Unreal. Look, nothing on the grass. Again. Why does this amaze me? These guys ain't going nowhere. This guy tried to go somewhere. It didn't work. My God. This is the handicap walkway, okay? It's got about 5 feet of snow in it. Jeez. Not bad enough it is.